All right, we did all the controls. Hold on.
Okay, so get Lindsay up here. Jim, here's update on your bike. So there's the dash. Stevie got that all wrapped up for you. This is nicely painted. All this stuff is all polished up. Okay, Lindsay.
This.
All this.
Master cylinder, the levers.
You're gonna have to get from this side, Lindy Lou. Show this too. So all this is all polished up. All this is all polished up nice. Stevie went through and rebuilt all this, all the detail. Had to pull this apart, repainted this silver, cleaned up that. All that's nice and clean. Get a nice close-up of that, Lindy Lou. Get the other side. Show them this. This is all redone also. All right, there you go. And then Stevie's got the, okay, show the motor, because I don't know if I can't remember if we did another one.
No. Yeah, you saw the motor, but not the carbs.
Okay, so now we got, look how beautiful those carbs are, Jim. Gorgeous. Got all new insulators, new new bolts. There you go. We got our mail lady showing up. Talk about it some more.
Yeah, just kind of went all through it. I think we already talked about the starter was painted, and we got the bag mounts back here, which we had to cut. We had to make these back here for the bags, that's normal. We do that.
Ooh, that looks really nice.
And then
sharp.
Hey girl.
Hi.
Say hi to all your adoring fans. That's our amazing mail woman. She's the best.
And yeah.
And
A
yeah.
bunch of cleaning on it. We'll take see if it runs.
That looks sharp.
All right, Jim. Hope you like it. Oh, he's coming around. Oh, he's gonna get stuck in the mail car. There it comes.
That's really good too. You still gotta put the siren on, and
We gotta fasten up these.
yeah.
And then the bags are ready to go. We got that wired up, so Lindsay's still working on that. All right.
Wanna see all the dash lights?
Yeah, let's see all the pretty dash lights. You got that. You got spotlight. That's your spotlight. It's your high beam, generator, neutral, oil light, turn signals, left and right.
Shiny.
It's all shocking stuff. Then like a whole